Hi guys, today in addition we're looking at the split strategy. We're going to be looking at the algorithm 24 and 63. Okay, so let's have a look at our numbers in our number sentence. Let's check out 24. So with 24 we have 2 10s and 4 1s. So the value of those when we partition that number is 20 and 4. Now let's have a look at the number 63. When we look at our place value of 63, it is 6 10s and 3 1s. So that is 60 and 3. Okay, so now we've split or partitioned our numbers up into the tens values and also into the ones values there. So to finish off our problem, we need to start adding our tens together. So 60 and 20 is 80. And then we need to add our ones together. So 4 and 3 is 7. And from there, if we add 80 and 7 together, our answer will be 87.